deflection of cantilever beam with free end load. So, at the free end load cantilever beam, length of beam is L. Okay. So, some section from XX section is distance is x, distance L minus x, this distance is L minus x. Okay. So, to find the slope and deflection of cantilever beam with the free end load. So, moment of cantilever beam is minus W downward direction. So, minus W into L minus x. So, section XX. So, W into moment is W force into perpendicular distance, W into perpendicular distance is L minus x. Okay. Section is mx. Okay. So, moment equation for beam is EI d square y by dx square equal to minus W into L minus x. Okay. So, this is the double integration method. Okay, using double integration method, differentiate with respect to x, EI dy by dx equal to minus W. So, integration of constant is Lx minus x squared by 2 plus C1, constant is C1. So, at point A, so fixed point A is x equal to 0, slope of at fixed point is 0. Okay. 0. So, C1 equal to 0. Okay. So, EI dy by dx equal to minus W Lx minus x squared by 2. Okay. Next, slope at B, theta B. So, theta B equal to dy by dx equal to minus W EI L square minus L squared by 2. So, distance is x equal to L, or distance x equal to L. So, point, this is point B, this is point A. Okay. So, x equal to L, so minus W divided by EI into L square minus L square divided by 2. So, theta B equal to minus W L square divided by 2 EI. Okay. The answer is minus W L square. So, this is the downward direction. Okay. Generally indicate minus. So, next EI y, differentiate this equation one more time. So, ei y into minus w L into x square divided by 2 minus x cube divided by 6 plus C2, okay, integrating. Then next at point A, okay, x equal to 0, so corresponding deflection equal to 0, okay. So, 0 equal to C2. C2 is 0. Deflection at B. Deflection at B, x equal to 0. So, x equal to L. So, y equal to y max. So, at the end of the at the point B, so is a point load cantilever beam. So, is the deflection is maximum deflection. So, y max, okay, y max equal to minus w divided by ei into L cube divided by 2 minus L cube divided by 6. Okay. So, y max equal to minus w L cube divided by 3 ei is the downward deflection. So, negative sign, minus sign is indicated the negative, okay, negative sign indicated the downward deflection. So, in this cantilever beam uniformly distributed load, okay, at cantilever beam with point load, end point load, okay, end point load. So, moment is mx equal to minus wx, so downward, so minus w into L minus x, okay. So, is using double integration method, ei d so beam deflection moment of beam is ei d square by dx square equal to minus w L minus x, okay. So, at point A x equal to 0, deflection also, so slope equal to 0, okay, at point fixed point. So, C1 is 0. So, at slope B, okay, minus w L square by 2 ei. So, next integrate this equation, okay, slope equation once again. So, ei y equal to minus w L x square by 2 minus x cube divided by 6 plus C2, okay. At A x equal to 0, at a fixed point A is x equal to 0, deflection also 0. So, C2 is 0. So, deflection at point B, okay, x equal to L, y equal to y max, okay, at point B. So, deflection is maximum. So, curve for deflection is a B dash, this is y max, this point is maximum deflection. This also theta b, slope of at point B, okay. So, this is the slope at point B, this is the deflection at point B, so the maximum deflection. So, minus w L cube divided by 3i, so negative sign indicate that downward direction, okay. Thank you.